The SpliceMAX welding kit includes a durable tool bag that contains a SpliceMAX welder, 4 D-cell nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries, a high-quality battery charger, cutting shears, and flash cutters. The SpliceMAX welding unit is capable of welding round belts up to 18 mm diameter or 5/8 of an inch, up to B-section V-belts, up to A-section twin V-belts, and flat belts up to 1.5 inches wide. SpliceMAX welders are a high current drain device that will not function with regular alkaline batteries. For proper performance, 10,000 mA high power capacity rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries are suggested. Ensure that your working environment is clean and well ventilated. For top performance, make sure the batteries are fully charged before starting. Start by unscrewing the battery cover and inserting the batteries into the welder, positive end first. Replace the cover. Retract both of the belt clamp lock screws and fully open the weld clamp. While compressing the belt clamp springs, place the belt ends into the belt clamp. Make sure the ends are flush against the heater blade and tighten the belt clamp lock screws. Make sure there are no twists in the belt. Turn the unit on with the switch located at the end of the unit. You will know it's on when the LED lights illuminate. Wait for the heater to melt the belt until the desired bead forms. Tighten the weld clamp knobs to press the belt ends against the heater blade. Perform this next step quickly. Turn the heater off, release the weld clamp knobs just enough to clear the heater from the belt ends, retract the blade into the handle, and quickly tighten the weld clamp knobs to connect the two belt ends together. Do not over tighten, as this could result in a poor weld. Allow the weld to cure. Allow 1 minute of cooling time for small cross-section belts and a minimum of 3 minutes for larger belts. Remove the finished belt by loosening the belt clamp lock screws and compressing the springs. This will allow the top bars of the belt clamp to swing away. Use the flash cutters to clean up any remaining beading from the weld. Allow the belt to fully cure for a minimum of 30 minutes prior to applying tension or straining the belt. This is critical to ensure a complete weld. Remember to remove the batteries when not in use to prevent fire, burns, and unintentional activation. Allow the unit to completely cool before storing.